Hi everyone, today I am gonna show you easy steps on how to implement any shader from the Shadertoy website to your website using React 3 Fiber. First, take a look to Shadertoy website. It is including thousands of shaders where you can implement any of them to your website. Just in minutes, you can use any one of these. Also check in my case, I implement this shader and this shader, which will give my website the feeling I am inside a spaceship flying through the space. Also, you can check the description. You will find a useful links for live website and other resources. I created a new Reactjs project with version 18. I don't need all this file, so I will delete all unneeded file and just keep up.js and index.js, and also I will clean it from unnecessary code. Now I will start the project with npm start, or you can use npm run start. Here I have an error because I forget to remove index.css from index file. See, test now appear on the screen, so we can start coding. I will install the required libraries. You can find this command in the description. We will install React 3 Fiber, React 3 Drei, Axios, and Three.js. You can use Axios or Pitch from JavaScript. It depends for you. Just I use Axios because it is more easy, and I use it to implement the fragment file and the vertex shader from the public folder. Actually now, because I am recording this lesson, I use npm. Usually I use npm. Just add letter p in the first. And it is same command, but just it will increase the time of development and reduce the time of installing packages, because it has different algorithm for installing packages. It is much better from Yarn. Also, now we will start configure our file. We will add the canvas and give it full width and full height to cover all the screen. Sounds good. Now I am going to add a vertex shader file inside the public. What is vertex shader file? It is responsible actually for transforming vertex data like position and normal and UV coordinator. If it doesn't appear for you in the same way like what I'm doing now, you can add this plugin to your project. It will be responsible for coloring the words and autocomplete. Actually, I suggest everyone to install this plugin. I prepared this code before, so you can stop the video and write it, then continue. This is the shader we are going to achieve in the end of video. So what we will do, we will copy this code and add it without any change inside a new file, the fragment shader file. take a look for this code. All changes we will do, it will be inside the main image. And before that, I forget, I need to download the noise image and implement it to my project. I will put it inside the public folder to make it accessible. You can define any name, just stick to this name to make sure we don't have any error while we are coding. Make the name noise too. Now let's configure our project. We will start by implement this GLSL file. I have two files, the vertex make sure it is a string, and also the fragment. Okay, then I need to implement it by using Axios. And once I implement it, it will store here response.data. I will do the same thing for the fragment. In order to make sure we don't have any error, I will check if the vertex or the fragment equal empty string, it will return nothing. Else we will go here inside the scene. Okay, then I will create the scene. Will return a mesh. Inside the scene, I can put anything I want, but I will put my shader inside the plan geometry. Make sure this is small, not big. Let's check. Okay, amazing. And also to apply all changes, I will put shader material. Okay, amazing. Now I need to send this to my scene. And implemented here. Make sure always your code is clean. Also, I need to implement the noise texture image. After that, I will create a uniform and to make good performance, I will put it inside a memo. I will define three stuff. I time, I resolution, I channel 0. This is three stuff. It exists here. Like if you go I channel and also I resolution and I time. Okay. Type F mean float, and it is the same time is the same type inside the fragment file. Type V2 mean vector2, and it is takes two value. It is x and y. It is for 2D vector. Both measurements. Make this specific size. Wow. Type T mean indicate texture uniform. We will use it for the image, for the noise image. Now I will send all these values to shader material to use it inside the fragment file. By the way, first it will send to vertex file, then it will send to fragment file. Here we have three options: double side, front side, and back side. I put it double side to make sure everyone will clear for him, even if you see it from front or back. But for best performance, put it front or back. Don't use it double side here, just in order to make sure we will see our end results. And also I think we have an error. This is because I didn't pass the data to fragment file. I prepare it inside the GS file, but I should also define it inside the fragment file. Get elapsed time returns the total time in seconds since the clock started. So look, I defined iTime inside the memo, but I want to change it because it will change frame by frame. So I'll change it and send it by the reference. This is 20 mean the started time. Let's try. All these errors because I didn't define yet the variable inside the fragment file. Now, after defining iTime, check the errors. It will remove all errors related to iTime. This VUV, I define it inside the vertex shader GLSL file inside inside the public folder. Guys, always make sure the name is correct. It is written in the same way. Be careful for small letter, big letter. Be careful for all these small details because it will make for you a headache if you didn't notice it at first. See here, I define the UV values. Now change the main image to main and also remove all everything inside the parameters and define it as a frag code. The frag code represents the fragment coordinates on the screen. Frag color, we don't need it right now, so remove it. I think I forget the semicolon here. Oh, nice. Now the format very clear. Finally, I will change the frog color to GL frog color because in this way it works on Three.js and WebGL. Oh my god! Amazing! Impossible! Wow! Now look how this 20 will affect only in the start. Finally, we reach the end of the video. I know what we have achieved is amazing, and what it is more amazing when you go to Shadertoy website and start searching between these shaders. We have here thousands shaders. You can apply any of them inside your website. Guys, be creative. I hope everyone start editing and send for me in the comments what he has achieved. I will be very happy. Look here how I use the shader toy inside my website, how I make it fly in that space. You have to be creative. Also, I created this article from 1 year ago. This is to explain for you what this is to explain for you step by step how we achieve this website. Like in general, what we didn't touch the code, only we change or only we define the value I time, I channel, I resolution in the correct way. You have to figure out all these values and make sure it is defined in the correct way. And at the end, thank you very much. If you want to see more of my works, you can check my profile. All this link and all this website you have seen, you will find it inside the description. Bye bye.